Tony Watson here with Robert Hall & Associates. Today we're going to talk about retirement plans for the self-employed. Now there are a couple options that you have when it comes to retirement planning. One in particular for the self-employed individual is the SEP IRA, S-E-P. That stands for Self-Employed Pension. And that is an individual self-employed individual's retirement plan. So when you are self-employed and you have net revenue of, let's say, $100,000, this is after expenses are being taken into account, you have the opportunity to defer up to 25% of your $100,000 profit into a SEP IRA. So in this case, ease of calculation, about $25,000 into your SEP IRA. Now that's not the only option that you have, because depending on your income threshold, you could potentially put money into a regular IRA, an individual traditional IRA, or even a Roth IRA. You'll have to speak with your tax advisor about whether or not you qualify for those particular retirement account deferrals, but once again, that might be an option for you. Now, if you are incorporated and you're an employee of your own corporation, you have options. You can either have the SEP IRA still, or you can switch over to the 401k and profit sharing plan hybrid account. So you can not only defer $18,000 into an individual 401k account, but you can also defer up to 25% of your payroll into the profit sharing plan. So once again, you need to sit down with your tax advisor and discuss the options that you may have as a self-employed individual to make sure that you're putting your money into the right deferral plan. On top of that, once your business really starts to grow, you also have options of doing the defined benefit plan, which has a much higher contribution rate. On top of the self-directed IRA, or the SEP IRA, is the self-directed module, meaning that you can either have an IRA that invests in the stock market, or you can have what's called a self-directed IRA, which invests in real estate investments, such as rental properties or property flipping, or maybe even doing hard money lending out of your individual retirement account. On the 401k side of the self-directed retirement accounts is the solo 401k. So the solo 401k and the self-directed IRA are retirement accounts that can invest in real estate or other types of business ventures outside of the stock market. So there are a lot of options that you have. Make sure that you sit down with your tax advisor and discuss these options before the end of the year, and make sure that you're plugged into the right account. Thanks for stopping by.